OSHA, a holistic approach to OSHA compliance and HSSE measure in car workshop. We from the Elba Group will explain to you the use of OSHA and HSSE in the car workshops we have chosen in this presentation. The workshop we are referring to is S1 Auto Service, owned by a young man named Safwan Bin Isa. Watch the next video. Ensuring the safety and well-being of the workforce is the most important commitment for organizational to address and improve safety measures in car workshop. Car workshops present unique challenges in terms of workplace safety, given the nature of operations involving heavy machinery, sharp tools and potentially hazardous materials. To maintain a safe work environment become critical. This report investigates the comprehensive assessment and improvement of occupational safety and health administration, OSHA, compliance and health safety, security and environmental HSSE safety measures in automotive workshops. Recognizing the unique challenges and risk inherent in this industry, we aim to strengthen our commitment to a workplace where every employee can thrive without compromising their safety. Aim in the car workshop to ensure the management system in the workshop is more organized and systematic. Ensuring the safety and security of workers while in the workshop, ensuring the workshop in an organized and tidy condition, training to be cooperative and responsible, safety in the workplace. The objective: OSHA compliance assessment, enhanced HSSE safety measures, continuous improvement and monitoring. Use social media for awareness. Encourage employee engagement, development of comprehensive training modules, safety in the car workshops, use of personal protective equipment, PPE, the necessary equipment to provide protection to the wearer from the dangers he may encounter. Use shoes that are closed and have rubber soles. Use personal protective equipment that is appropriate for the work being done. Avoid wearing personal jewelry, such as watches, necklaces, pendants, and rings. OSHA compliance awareness to spread training programs, regular inspections, record keeping, HSSE safety measures, emergency action plan, tool and equipment safety, personal protective equipment, PPE, cause of accidents in the workshop, human factor, negligence, discipline, lack of ability, lack of knowledge, health, physical factor, environment, equipment and machines, the noise, administrative factors, rules, training, attitude, dangers faced in car workshop, toxic substances, harmful physical agents, electrical hazards, hazardous waste, contagious disease, fire and explosion hazard, social media utilization, online, training modules. Create engaging online training modules that cover OSHA compliance and HSSE safety measures. Specific to car workshop, utilize social media platforms to share these modules, making them easily accessible to all employees. Safety infographics and posts design and share. Visually appealing infographics and posts highlighting key OSHA regulations and HSSE safety practice. Regularly post these on social media channels to reinforce safety messages and keep employees informed. Employee feedback and recognition. Encourage employees to share their thoughts, suggestions, and safety-related experiences on social media platforms using a designated hashtag. Recognize and reward individuals or teams who actively contributed to promoting safety in the car workshop. Social media can be used effectively. Social media campaign, safe workshop journey, to create awareness and encourage active involvement among employees regarding OSHA compliance and HSSE safety measures in our car workshops. Interesting video. Develop a concise and informative video highlighting key aspects of OSHA compliance and HSSE safety measures in a workshop environment. Infographics and notes designed visually appealing. Infographics that illustrate important safety guideline and OSHA compliance standards. Live Q&A session. Conduct live Q&A session on social media platforms, allowing employees to ask questions related to safety practice, challenges and rewards. Introduce safety challenges that encourage employees to share safety tips, stories or innovative ideas. In conclusion, the commitment to improve OSHA compliance and HSSE safety measures in auto workshops is not only a regulatory obligation, but a fundamental responsibility for the well-being of the workforce. The report has outlined a strategic approach to address the unique challenges posed by the dynamic nature of automotive workshops, emphasizing the importance of workplace safety. By setting clear objectives, including OSHA compliance assessments, enhanced HSSE safety measures, development of training modules, use of social media, employee engagement, and continuous improvement, we aim to create a culture where safety is embedded in every aspect of our operation. Furthermore, the dangers faced in car workshops, from toxic substances to infectious diseases and fire hazard, emphasize the need for proactive measures to protect our workers and the workshop environment. Identifying and mitigating these risks is essential to ensuring a safe and secure workplace. The use of social media, as demonstrated in the Safe Workshop Journey campaign, provide a dynamic and interactive platform to disseminate information, engage employees, and foster a collective commitment to safety through videos, infographics, live sessions, employee highlights, and challenges. It aims to create a virtual space that reinforces safety messages and encourages active participation. As we move forward, continuous monitoring and improvement remain at the core of security initiatives. Regular reviews, employee feedback, and adherence to emerging industry standards will ensure auto repair shops remain at the forefront of safety practices, making safety not only a priority, but a shared value within our organization. Basically, the journey towards a safer workshop is a collaborative effort involving every member of the organization. Together, we can create an environment where every employee not only feels safe, but actively contribute to maintaining that safety, paving the way for a successful and secure future for car workshop.